I've been trying out this portable instant water heater that Camplux sent to us to test, and I really like it. The unboxing I did was really positive, and I've been kind of messing around with it in different scenarios. What I like about it is the versatility. It comes with everything you need if you want to install it, say somewhere at a cabin or someplace that you might need a little water heater, or you can use it as a mobile version. I've obviously got it hooked up here to the van where I've just got it on some hooks right now on the back door. There's lots of different ways that you can do it. You can connect it to a hose with running water if you have that available. We happen to be at a campsite right now, so that's where I've got it hooked up to. But you can also get a water pump kit, and then you can literally just use a 5-gallon bucket of water and pull your water from there to heat it for whatever you might need. Is having hot water while you're camping a bit of a luxury? Absolutely. But hey, if you're going to clean your dishes or clean yourself, it's much easier when you have warm water or hot water, and that can make a big difference for trying to enjoy the camping trip that you are on. It is lightweight, it is compact, it has a handle so you can carry it around, or you can use that handle actually to hang it on hooks, depending on how you want to set it up, or you could install it somewhere if you needed to. Included with this water heater is a shower head, the hose for the water to get to the shower head, a wall attachment, that kind of thing, everything you would need to set that up. In addition, there is the water pump kit. Now, this is about a 1.5 gallon per minute water heater, and this is a 1.6 gallon per minute water pump. So you're all set there once you have water available. But also included in the kit are all the hoses and attachments and wiring and everything you would need to get this thing up and running. A few things jumped out at me when I was unboxing this. Let's talk about the connections, both for the water heater and for the water pump. There are quick disconnects included. That is going to be a time saver if you happen to use this as a mobile unit where you are setting it up and taking it down regularly. It includes a shower head. Maybe that would be expected, maybe not. But here's something that's not expected. It's not just an on and off switch on this shower head. It has several different settings so you can change the type of spray that is coming out of the shower head. That's more than you would expect, I think, from this kind of operation. And then there's other little niceties that they do. For example, there's two different ways to power this unit. You can either plug it into DC, either maybe in your vehicle, or you would be able to use a portable power bank like a Jackery or something that has a DC plug. Or you can use these alligator clips and connect it directly to a car battery, an auxiliary battery, whatever you have available. One of the things I noticed that's really nice and seems to be an improvement over what I saw in some earlier posts and videos about this Camplux product is that you no longer have to wire everything together yourself. They now come with plugs ready to go. There's one attached to the water pump, and the connectors then are on the end of either the alligator clips or the DC plug. Again, it's plug and play. It's going to be ready to go. You don't have to do any wiring and making sure everything's tight. Not a big deal for some people, but others are uncomfortable dealing with wiring. So that is a really nice feature. Obviously, it has a user manual to have you get everything set up correctly. I should mention, obviously, this is a propane water heater, and it does have a 5-foot propane hose. So that's a nice length to be able to get it set up somewhere and not have your propane tank right underfoot. It has, I think it's about a 3-foot hose, maybe for the shower. That could be a little bit longer, but that's probably plenty. And then the water lines that come with the water pump are just over about 6 feet, I'd say. And there's obviously one of those for water going into the pump and one of those for water coming out. So that much hose should give you an opportunity to set it up in a way that, again, the machinery is not going to be underfoot while you're taking a shower or trying to do dishes, that kind of thing. It also has a battery operated ignition. So once you have propane, a couple of batteries, and some way to power the water pump from a battery or a portable power pack, whatever you have, you're going to have instant hot water. I'd say there's just a little bit of a learning curve with it in terms of how to get everything connected. And easy to connect it in different ways, but that means you have to figure out which adapter you need, whether you're using the water pump or you're connecting it to a hose. But then, you get the shower hooked up. It's got a shower head that comes with it. And you just got to figure out, now we got to hook it up to propane. So it seems like there's a lot of steps, but once you've done it a few times, setting it up and taking it down is really pretty quick. And that's a nice feature as well, because you don't want it to be a burden to get hot water. If you're going to do some kind of glamping and you want hot water when you're in a campsite, make it as simple as possible. Water's hot. That was so quick, and that is what I like about this too. You get enough water pressure going through there, and boy, it just gives you instant hot water, faster than anything I've seen in an RV instant hot water heater. So this might be the ticket, especially if you are mobile and you want to be able to have hot water pretty much anywhere that you can create a water source, whether it's from a hose or from a 5-gallon bucket. Heck, I don't know, camp next to a stream and throw one of the long tubes in there and draw from there through the water pump. Hot water on demand when you need it while you're camping. Consider the Camplux. It's pretty slick.